There will be news soon on the GER40, so I really want to focus trading this for 1 hour, and then we'll go over to crypto. Let's go. So right now we're up 530 bucks. We got a short from here. Just smashed in on the close. We might get stopped out. Oh, sorry, it's actually here. Yeah, the higher time frame was just showing the short, so I had to take it. So the trades are. You can say it's just smashes within a candle. I know you guys do not know how to trade that style I like. Just because I knew the higher time frame was telling me we have to go down, because the higher time frame was telling me to go down. That's how I took it. Okay, nothing too complex. Anyway, are there conditions in which you don't trade? No, we basically trade every market. In 10 minutes, we will know what the market wants to do. Let's see if we get this as a runner. Now, on higher time frame, GER40, there's something happening I don't really like. Might have wanted a little bit too much. How much points would it have been if I took more PT? Well, only 20. Okay, stopped out. Next, let's see. Clean rejection, clean retrace. So looking for longs at 18,368. Here's a possible hold. If they hold where they are right now, we're gonna hold accumulation. If they do not, we do not hold the accumulation. So the level I'm looking for them to hold is this one. Yeah, if this one is the hold, this one is the PT for the shorts. There they try to hold it. They already made a new low. Let's wait a bit. Might smash in later. Yeah, so next zone 80,386, unless they're wicked all the way and hold it one more time. So current P&L on the day is still 600. Should probably see if I can always show my P&L somewhere on the screen. Might be nicer. They still have 1 minute to save it. If they save this on the in 1 minute, I might look for a smash long. Wanted one close above, but they didn't do it there. I got a long right now. Higher low, but a little bit higher up. Small, only 40 contracts because they're really wicking it. Looking for them to retest the highs right here. So we're long right now. Beautiful retest of the level. Here's the new P&L right now. Let's see if they can achieve it and hold it. They wanna. I see what they wanna do though. I see what they wanna do. I'm gonna gamble on it. Let's hope they do it. Else I will have to market smash out of my position. Let's see. Immediate retest. Quite beautiful though. I'll be honest. I'm out of the position. Now let's see, new low has been made so they can try again. Yeah, so we're up around 700 today. Yeah, okay, I'm expecting a pump right now. Smashed in. Let's see if they can achieve the move to the low right here. Yeah, this might have not been that smart of a trade. Might lose 400 bucks. Let's see. Need to hold here right now. Now they have to bazooka it to the upside. Let's see if they do it. 1 hour close coming up as well. Hourly close, 1 minute. Let's see if they can now push it up. They're fighting for this red line, man. They're fighting for it. Been trailing my stop here, so mine get stopped out a little bit sooner. Yeah, there it is. And now we wait. P&L went down a little bit though. Not entirely sure what they want to do right now on the GER40, so I'm just gonna wait. Still looking for this, but it's looking like a grind. People want a long, but they're just smacking it because the long actually already happened once, so they need to make a higher low to go up. It looks like slow bleeding, but I'm waiting for a long trigger right now. Now they're gonna try again. Let's see if they succeed now. Just looking for regular achievement right now. 3 minutes still holding the zone. It's still no trigger, so I'm gonna wait. So P&L right now, as I said, I got one stop. Trailed the stop a little bit. So P&L is actually right now back to 500. Oh, that's the wrong one. That was before 577. They're really restricting this thing so hard, man. Now I do think they might go. GG chat. GG. G. G. We're in. Let's take PT quickly. Let's go. Sorry guys, I had to focus for this one. So right now P&L is back to 800. Let's go. Woo! Nah, this is Jansen. The trade I took here awaits you this weekend, this Sunday. I'm gonna screenshot it. Already de-risked, so stop loss is break even. So smashed in just before the trigger. So here you can see it one more time. There it is, right? So smashed in within the candle itself. We'll have to de-risk a little bit more. Don't think they will hold it. Took a little bit of PT because I didn't like I wanted them to close twice above it. They didn't. So let's there we go. It's moving. Looks like a clean accumulation in my opinion, but gonna wait for the clean trigger. We're already up 1k, so we need to be patient, you know. You took a long at the retest? Nice. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. It looks very clean though, very clean. Now let's see if they hold. Let's see if they pounce. Continuation, please. Of course we got the long, but let's wait. Do want them to expand higher though. Make the move to the high here, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Nice, wanted them to create it, they created it, so that's it. Soon I'm stopped already. Looking for 360, if they can get there. Got a real long as well. P&L went down a bit, but it's okay. Let's see if they progress now. Took a small PT at a high, because why not, you know. Yeah, they front ran it. I smashed into the blue wick. That's what I did. Would have been a proper short. High, failed to hold. I will fail to make continuation, now coming back to the mean. So right now the P&L is still 1k. Okay, so good. Maybe move my stop loss a little bit too quickly to profit, but it is what it is. I just wanted them to blast. Nah, I'm not bearish, man. I'm not bearish. But sometimes you just need a retrace to check, like, for example, right? What are we doing right now in GER40? We went down, right? Now, why did we go down? We did achieve something, right? This is the same thing as biddy. We achieved something. So eventually come back down to see what have we gained. And then you can resume and go make new highs. Alright? 3 minutes left and then we'll look for shorts. If they provide it. Should have been a little bit more actively looking. Then again, I've been trading actively for a long time. 1 hour-ish right now. Most of the time I stop after 1 hour of trading. So I might actually stick with 1k for now. Okay, so let's see. Come on, print it. Yeah, I need to be a little bit patient. Don't really like the 1 minute 100%, so we are in a good zone though. Yeah, I should have pulled the trigger. I will get a retrace. Let's see. So with trading with the trend, you always have to be faster than trading again. Let's see if this will be a good trade. I'm currently in a short. Took a short here. Let's see. Maybe we'll get stopped out. Maybe we don't. Like in terms of lower time frame progression, there's not that much lower time progression, so we're already stopped out, break even. So wanted to make 700 on the trade. Now I lost like 50 bucks. So I like to take trades, guys, where I want them to go. If they don't go, I just stop myself out around break even. So yeah, now the P&L changed a little bit because I took a small PT where, you know, the invalidation point was, but it's not that worth it. It's only like 60 bucks more or something. Oh, I missed something very big on GER40, my bad. I missed this. I didn't see what it was retesting. Nah, so the confirmation was this one, right? So then I reshorted it, but I'm actually unlucky they retested it as well. Anyway, now comes the real test. Top side swept, hold bottom side, then go. But they're not holding midpoint, so let's see. So the 4 hour seems like it wants to hold quite badly. Anyway, I think I'm gonna stop with GER40. Let's go to Mu. We're up 1k, so it's not too bad, eh? So my last trade is in. On GER40, it's a short. It was a little bit of a lower risk taken because it was the high range. Now they did what they had to do. Took a PT earlier on because I couldn't be bothered. In a perfect world, they would still come for a retest. So I'm gonna see if they still come for a retest and add more to it. Chipping away some profits. By the way, one tip for people: if you always take too much PT, take 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. Anyway, so we're kind of done. Okay, so I just closed the trade. I can't be bothered with it. Let's close everything out. So today's P&L 1.5. Okay. GG. This is gonna be a dumpy session. Oh, let's go. So no progression yet. Let's wait a bit. Let's go to double time frames. Yeah, no trades yet. No trades yet. 3 minute did not make a new move to low. Let's see. Yeah, so probably. Let's see what they're gonna do. Resistance line coming up soon again as well. So it all changed a little bit now. This is the first one. Next one is gonna be 1898. Let's see. But I'm looking for this, man. Come on. Don't dump it yet. Don't dump it yet. Don't do it. Trigger in 1 minute. So gonna wait. We got a short in. This is banging. Took it small because it wasn't a good trade. Smacked in here once I saw them lose because I knew they wouldn't retest it. So yeah, hold it for 30 seconds, please. So PNL isn't that great. It was just a warm-up trade, but should have gone in a bit deeper or bigger. So right now we're only up 300-ish and then that. Okay, so let's see if they can go to 37. Sorry, it's 37. So it's gonna be this zone, NPT right there. Close the trade. From a warm-up trade, we're up 456. So that's our current P&L. Okay, so I'm expecting another move up, like a little bit. No, we can reshort it again, depending on how high they go. GER40 getting interesting again. Let's quickly check. Yeah, I don't really see a reason to short at the moment. Just gonna wait. No triggers. Right now I have a no trading zone. It's still 3 minutes. Close this right here somewhere. Come down, touch it. Delta up. Anyway, let's prepare. Still not interested right now. So let's remove this because they're failing it. So there we go. I didn't really like the long here, so I didn't take it. 3 minutes left until the next trigger, but I don't like the triggers right now. We really slowed down a lot after the open, so that's a little bit sad, but I'm happy I still got the short, but I want to make more than 450. Got another short in. Let's see how deep we can go. So shorted, yeah, so I first shorted here, now the entries here. I already took PT new low. Wasn't that big of a trade either, because it was very aggressive bottom side short. But, so and that enables me to take these trades, right? Because I smashed in short 10 points. I don't even care where the stop loss is. All I know is, okay, I want to take a PT here. Look, 0.8R. Do I give a shit? No. What do I do know is I cannot lose money on this trade anymore. They lost everything, so I'm just looking for them to go down now. Looking for 18,074. Now, the only reason I took this trade is because I know the 50-minute didn't hold what they wanted to hold and stuff like that, right? So there we go, stopping myself out here. Let's look for another one. So right now we are 625 in profile. So looking for this actually. We'll be looking for shorts there. The long that they gave, there is no entry into it. Gonna patiently wait for execution. No setup at least in the next 3 minutes though. Possibility right now to short soon. In my opinion, what they're doing, I might want to save it. Let's see. Very important 4 hour coming up. So gonna be a little bit careful with the shorts here. Like this is something that's called time frame analysis. What does the 4 hour want to do? They want to close, or they want to save it, right? That's why they're making no sense big pump. Now, what's the logic behind this? What's the psychological logic behind this? They just let it dump, right? Dump. And then they're like, you know what? People kept on shorting here anyway. Let's accumulate as much longs as we can here. And then the other half, we just push the price up. And we try to save the 4 hour, right? There's no reasoning to it. Sure, you can look for more sequences here and how they will do it and in the order flow. The algos do not give a damn how deep we went. They care where we close, okay? So what's more important, wicks or closes? Closes. Kind of wanted to short, but I'm just gonna be a little bit more careful because of the 4 hour. I probably will go after this 4 hour close. Gonna see if we get another trade. So now comes the retrace. Could have shorted the high here, but man, the price action really has slowed down. So I kind of want to look for shorts in this baby as well. Okay, we got a short in. Let's see if they pop it down. Right here. Go, 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 go. Small one because there was no progression. Took a very small PT at the new low. Man. I hate spread. They went here, but they stopped me out here. Normally the spread is only 1. Chat. Anyway, it's okay. It wasn't that great of a short anyway. Like, it was more like, yeah, they're hovering around too much. People are distributing. I want them to retest this. But it is what it is. You know what, guys? I cannot be bothered. I think I'm gonna walk with my dog. The sun is still shining here, so the P&L right now, how much did we close? It's only 700, so I didn't reach my target today, but it's okay. Okay, boys, take care, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.